Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'd like to share with you a simple detox drink that will help you cleanse your system of toxins as well as help you lose weight and clear your skin. This drink is very easy and powerful. All you need is a cup of warm water, equal parts of 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, raw unfiltered honey, baking soda and the juice of half a lemon. Stir and drink. You want to take this drink as soon as you wake up, at least 10 minutes before breakfast. And kids over the age of 12 can also use this, but you need to make sure that you halve the recipe to half a cup and half a teaspoon of each of the apple cider vinegar, baking soda, honey, and the juice of a quarter of a lemon. If you're serious about losing weight, you need to take this drink twice a day before breakfast and before dinner for about 4 to 6 weeks. For general health and to take advantage of the healing properties and strengthen your immune system, you need to take it once a day, 10 minutes before breakfast. In the first week of taking this drink, I did notice that I have more energy, my skin felt more softer and clearer, and I noticed that my body started turning and I lost weight. The drink will balance the pH level in your body and will also promote an alkaline state, and it will cleanse your liver and promote better health in general. If you like this video, please share to help others and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.